Hi, welcome to the TunesKit channel. In this video, I will show you different methods to factory reset your iPhone 11. Let's start. Solution 1. Factory reset iPhone 11 without passcode via iTunes. To begin with, please launch iTunes and connect your iPhone 11 to the computer. Ensure the iTunes Finder on your computer is up to date. Then, select the Summary option on the left menu. Click on the Restore iPhone option. Solution 2. Factory reset iPhone 11 without passcode via TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. If you don't want to use iTunes to do the factory resetting, an almighty iOS unlocking is the smartest move for you. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker is a convenient iOS unlocking tool that helps unlock iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch as well as remove the 4-digit password, 6-digit password, fingerprint, and Face ID. To begin with, launch the TunesKit iPhone Unlocker on your computer. Then, select the Unlock iOS screen option and click on the Start button. Connect your iPhone to it by using a workable Lightning cable. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone 11 into recovery mode. When your iPhone is in recovery mode, click on the Next button for the next step. In this phase, please ensure that the device information is corresponding to your iPhone. If not, please correct it manually. Then, click on the Download button to start downloading. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker will start to factory reset your iPhone 11 after downloading the firmware package. You will need to set up your iPhone again after factory resetting your iPhone successfully. Solution 3. Factory reset iPhone 11 without password via Find My iPhone. Those who have enabled the Find My iPhone feature on their iPhone 11 can use the Find My feature to factory reset their iPhone 11 on a computer or a mobile phone remotely. Note that all the data and content on your iPhone will be erased after unlocking. First, run a browser program on your computer or mobile phone. Then, enter iCloud.com into the search bar and log in to your Apple ID. Click on the Find My option. Select the All Devices option and choose your iPhone 11. Choose the Erase iPhone option to factory reset your iPhone 11 without passcode. Okay, that's so much for today's video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.